What's going on, my friends? It's your friend Jack here, and today we are going to be reviewing some more Redbubble shops. So if you want to get your Redbubble shop reviewed, or if you're wondering if I reviewed your Redbubble shop, then stay tuned because we're going to jump right into this video. So before we hop right into the video, if you do want to get your Redbubble shop reviewed, then go down to the comment section below and comment your shop name. Let me know it's your shop name and that you want your shop reviewed. Don't leave the link because YouTube does kind of manage those comments and delete them automatically. But if you want to leave your shop name down in the comments, I'll be more than happy to add it to my list of shops to be reviewed. Or if you want, you can also message me on Instagram. However, I don't check my Instagram all that often, so you're best off just leaving it in the comments of my YouTube video. With that being said though, let's hop into the first shop. And we have Grinta 2021. Hopefully I said that right. Like the banner, kind of a motivational banner. I would try to add some more of your own kind of design element to it. However, honestly, banners are not the end of the world, and yours does look pretty decent. And I do like your logo actually a lot. Just says your name and some nice text, some designer kind of text. Now, join January 2021. Pretty good stuff. Already at 141 designs. Keep making designs and keep going at it, but really good numbers so far. Keep that up. And let's go see. 5 collections. You have some cycling, running, cycling rules. I'd probably just put the cycling rules in with the cycling collection, honestly. But not a big deal, once again. Just kind of me nitpicking a little bit. And you have some other collections here, which looks pretty good. Now let's scroll down to your products. It seems like you have all your products on, optimized things. You pick them manually. And I can tell you do have the right dimensions for your designs because it is filling the whole greeting card, which is great. Now looking some more on it, you do have some nice patterns, some nice designs. Really like these sunset designs. I'm sure they sell pretty well. That's probably why they're at the top of your page. But I really like these sunset designs. And you have some good stickers here as well. I'm trying to see if you have any sticker packs. It doesn't seem like you do, so that could be another thing you could add. Keep in mind when you have things like this on stickers, it looks like this, which is pretty weird. So I'd probably stick to that, stick to a shirt for that one. But obviously, you're going to have, things that don't look as you meant them to be. Oh, and you do actually have sticker packs, which look really good. I'm not sure if you drew these yourself or where you got them from, but they look really good. So definitely do some more things like this. I think these are great. The only problem with sticker packs like this is they aren't very niche down and they're going to be hard to rank for, just because it's everything you have in here, anything you're ranking for, funny cartoon animals, funny animals are going to be very oversaturated. So keep that in mind when you're posting sticker packs. Try to find something that isn't as saturated so you can get your sticker pack seen in, in the pool of results in some way or another, because sticker packs do sell pretty well if you can get your designs seen. Scrolling down here, I recognize some of these designs from Placeit, but they still look really good. Mountain Adventure, World's Greatest Invention. Yeah, honestly, your shop looks really good. You even have some babies type clothes, which is really good. Real quick, I just want to check your tags. We're going to go to something maybe that I can actually know something about. Born to Ride, Forced to Work. Alright, let's go here. So, I'm going to check your tags real quick. You have really nice colors in this design. I really like this design, honestly. It looks really good. I'm going to scroll down here. Have it on 75 products, so you could put it on a few more products, but honestly, you have it on majority of the products, and as long as it looks good on all these products, I don't really have anything to complain about in that sense of the things. Now, looking at your tags, you have Born to Ride, Forced to Work. Those are 2 good tags that aren't super common, and I'm sure people still do look for. Now, looking here, bicycle, road bike, road bicycle, cycling, so still relevant keywords. Sunset Ride, mountain bike, Grinta. So I know Redbubble does say to put your shop name in your tags. I'm not sure how effective that really is. I personally don't do it, but I know Redbubble does suggest it. If you are going to put your shop name in your tags, I would only put it once. And going here, bicycling, biking, cyclist silhouettes, cyclist, cycling, Labor Day. I'm not sure why Labor Day is in there. Actually, no, it makes sense. Forced to Work. So actually, I think that's pretty good. But you could have like cyclist Labor Day as a tag. Just try to join some words together to make bigger, longer tail keyword tags if you can. But overall, really good tags, really good shop. Keep making designs, Grinta, and thank you for submitting your shop. With that being said, let's go to the next shop. And on the next shop, we have Noah's Shop. Joined August 2020, joined around the same time as me. 1,700 designs. So really good stuff here. Tons of designs. Got a vegan vibes feature collections. Some funny designs. I like these a lot. And yeah, really good feature collection. I'm liking that. All sports, vegan vibes, Christmas time, funny quotes, cute Halloween designs. So some nice collections. I really like that. And scrolling down here, you have some more of this design recreated. I'm hoping it sells well if you've made it multiple times. It's definitely a funny, humorous design that I could see people buying, especially on stickers. It looks really good. So good on you for finding a decent niche right there. And humor, it definitely sells. Easily distracted by goats. Some other types of designs. Looks like you have your products picked out manually on specific things. This one's a little bit hard to read, but it looks pretty cool. It's kind of a word fun design. You have some more humor designs, which I really like. Definitely keep up with the humor designs. I think humor designs sell well. I'm going to keep scrolling down here, and you have lots of designs. 1,700 designs is a lot of designs. So really all I can say to you, keep making designs and double down on the things that work. That is the most important thing I can say. But it looks like you know what you're doing for the most part. Probably just as much as me in a lot of senses. So we're going to scroll down here. We're going to click on one of these listings, check your tags, and honestly I'm pretty confident you did your tags right because of how many designs you have and how high quality most of the designs are. This one looks really good. I love the stroke here that's going into the the image. I think it looks really clean, professional. I'm going to scroll down here. We're going to see you have not that many tags actually. I thought you'd have some more. I'd probably put your title in your tags. Just a girl who loves anime and cupcakes. Just a girl who loves anime and cupcakes. I'd probably fix your tags. I'm not sure if this is the case for every design, but definitely could improve your tags there. Add some more of your titles and relevant keywords to your tags that are from your title, whether it be girl who loves anime or cupcakes and anime and cupcakes, things like that. Definitely good. Baking and anime, cut pastries and anime, something like that. Relevant things that aren't as big of niches, because obviously it's going to be really hard to rank in anime or Japan or manga, and it's going to be a lot easier to rank in just a girl who loves anime and cupcakes because not many people are going to be designing for that specific niche. However, overall, really good amount of designs and really good looking shop. Keep up your high quality designs, and I like your banner and your logo. I think they fit really well together. It kind of creates a nice little environment vibe, and I really do like it. And yeah, thank you for submitting your shop, Noah. With that being said, keep working on all those designs. You're killing it. Let's go to the next shop. Alright, the next shop we have is Wolf Designs. Wolf Designs has 654 designs. Loving the banner, loving the logo. Super clean and professional. Now, Mother's Day feature collection. Ahead of the game here. I like that. A relevant holiday as your collection is definitely not a bad idea. Good job on that. Now we're looking here, collections, cat lovers, dog lovers, kids, repeating names, cute cartoon designs, all types of things, right? Rick and Morty. So I'm not sure if this Rick and Morty design, okay, now I'm kind of interested, is a fan art kind of design, but if it is, that is something that, that is something that's really good. I'm not sure how to really tell if it is, but Rick and Morty, submission, PP submission, so I'm not sure if that means it is, but if it is, if you did get accepted to the partner program for Redbubble, Rick and Morty, that is really good stuff. Going back to your shop now, kind of got a little bit off track there. Let's go see your other designs. I don't know about this Eagle Fang Karate. I would stay away from that unless you have the rights to it, which I'm pretty sure you do not. You're risking your Redbubble account very heavily, and definitely stay away from risking your Redbubble account just for one design. It is not worth it. I know you can make some quick sales, but it's not really worth it. After all, you have 600 designs in here. Is it really worth it for one or two designs? I would say it's not. The Rick and Morty submission, I know that could be a fan art, or not a fan art, a partner program submission, so that's probably fair game. Maybe still be careful. I would get the rights before you do something like that. That's just my advice. You don't have to, but that's my advice. Anyways, going down here, it looks like you kind of have somewhat of a random selection of products. Make sure you're picking your optimized products at the bottom to a t-shirt or a sticker or a mask or whatever looks best on, and make sure when you are putting it on something, it is actually fit into the square there, because I can't really see what this one's about, but it actually does look like a nice design. I like this pig design, by the way. Just want to throw that in. Good mask, good patterns. Pattern masks work really well. Looks like you have a good idea of how to make good designs. Definitely would say keep making, keep making designs, and make sure you're picking the right products to put your images on. These ones are very hard to see. They aren't really big enough to see either. And we're going to go over here to one of these designs. We're going to go to this design, which looks really good. Mountain bike, trail, road, great adventure. We're going to click on it. I just want to check your tags, see what's up, see how many products you have enabled real quick. And first things first, I didn't realize this in the other thumbnail, but it looks like you haven't removed the background on this design. So make sure when you're using your designs, you remove the background so there's not this black square here. You're going to see if I change the color. It doesn't look so good on other colors. So I would say make sure you remove the background and kind of make this, you can make this a circle and still keep the black, but remove the background here. This big square doesn't look so hot. And 77 products, pretty good stuff. That's a lot of products. It's most of them. And we're going to go down here to the tags. It looks like you know what you're doing with your tags. Mountain bike, trail. So you're putting your title in your tags. You could use some more like longer tail keywords. Just put like bike trails, right? You could use two double word keywords. They don't just have to be single words. But overall, I really like the design. Just take out the black background. And thank you for submitting your shop, Wolfman. With that being said, let's go on to the fourth and final shop for this episode. Alright, and the last shop is going to be text, and joined November 2020. So joined, pretty recently. Honestly, November 2020 hasn't been on Redbubble for that long, and already has 1,300 designs. So that is good stuff right there. Hello, let me see you smile first. Smile, don't be shy. 7 billion smiles, and yours is my favorite. You are important to me. Remember that. So a little bit of a wholesome banner. I like that. It gets people to read it. It gets people to look at it. And scrolling down here, you have some weird, funny pictures. Collection. This collection looks really professional. I'm not sure if you made these, if they're public domain sourced, but they look really cool, and they kind of grab your attention. Honestly, a good featured collection. You have some funny trend memes, Valentine's Day quotes, St. Patrick's Day. You have some other collections, a little bit obscure, but honestly, glad you have collections. That's good stuff. Retro color designs in the first design. I'm liking that. Retro colors do sell. Now we're going to scroll down here and see what else you got. You got sticker packs. You know what you're doing. It looks like you got your designs on lots of different products. I still live with my parents, and it's a little baby costume, so niche down, specific target audience. I like that too. Really cool looking clock, and it looks like you are picking your products manually and making designs specifically for different product types, which is something that most people don't do. So really you are going to be able to get some sales in the niche, the clock product niche and stuff like that. So I like your approach. I think it's a good approach. Definitely would keep up with it. 1,300 designs. That's good. That's really good. Sticker packs. You have tons of different designs. I'm really liking the way your shop is going. I'm going to take a look at one of your products and some of your tags in a second here. But real quick, I just want to see how many favorites you have. And yeah, 345 favorites, which is quite a lot, honestly. 345 favorites since November 2020. You do have some designs picking up traction. I would say whatever designs are working on your shop, try to go back to them if you can and make some more designs in that niche. If they're making sales consistently every month, make some more sales in that niche so you can have multiple designs selling every month, quite possibly. And real quick, I don't really know what this means. SpaceX Boca Chica. I don't really know what it's referencing, but I want to check your tags real quick. I'm not sure how accurate I'm going to be able to analyze your tags. It seems like you have, the tags pretty much down. You have multiple keywords. You're kind of putting lots of different things in here that are, I'm assuming, quite relevant, but you have more than one word in each tag, or lots of the tags, which is something that most people don't do. So really good stuff. Like the retro colors, good designs on your shop. Honestly, just keep uploading designs and make sure you're diversifying yourself onto different platforms, because I think a lot of your designs would do really well on other platforms, and that kind of goes for everyone on these Redbubble shop reviews. If you want to make more money, getting onto other platforms and posting your best-selling designs, especially on Etsy, if you go to Etsy, post your best sellers, you're going to be able to make some money over there. And you could get started on Etsy for free if you use, anyone's, could be mine or your friends. Referral link, you get 40 and they get 40 when you use the link, free listings. So it's a good link to sign up with, and you can then test out, let's say, 40 Etsy designs for absolutely free. The only difference with Etsy really is you have to pay for fulfillment costs, but when you set it up, you end up getting profit in the end. So the money goes into your bank account at the end of the day. And yeah, if you don't want to do Etsy, Merch by Amazon, TeePublic, Spreadshirt, upload to all those other sites and see how that goes too. But in terms of Redbubble shop reviews, that's all I got for today. Thank you guys for submitting your shop so much. Once again, if you want to submit your shop, go down below into the comments. Comment your shop name. Let me know that you want it to be reviewed. If I heart your comment, that means it is added to the list. If I don't heart your comment within the first day or two, come back to me, spam me all you want, and I will add your shop to the list. Sometimes I do get a little bit caught up and I do miss some comments. But thank you guys so much for submitting your shops. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode of Shop Reviews. And with all that being said, keep striving, stay blessed. It's been your friend Jack. Peace out.